When you purchase a pre-owned vehicle from Williams, you're investing in more than just a car. You're gaining peace of mind, supported by a full year of added value and protection. Each Williams pre-owned vehicle includes 12 months of roadside assistance, 2 complimentary oil changes, multi-point inspections, and expert care from certified technicians. Our factory-trained professionals ensure that your vehicle is maintained to the highest standards, keeping you on the road with confidence. When it's time for scheduled service, simply present your classic coverage card. Your technician will already know what's included, streamlining the process and saving you valuable time. Approximately 30 days before your next service, you'll receive a personalized reminder, tailored to your unique driving habits. And once your plan concludes, you'll be provided with a comprehensive service history, detailing all maintenance completed under the program. Every service visit includes a thorough multi-point inspection, covering vital systems such as brake and transmission fluid levels, cooling and power steering systems, air and cabin filters, belts, hoses, suspension, tires, and more. Early detection of wear or damage helps reduce the risk of unexpected repairs and protects your investment. By prepaying for scheduled maintenance, you lock in today's service costs while ensuring each visit is performed by skilled professionals. You can even transfer the plan once to a private buyer, adding further value should you choose to sell your vehicle. At Williams, our commitment extends beyond the sale, offering trusted service, professional care, and lasting value with every pre-owned vehicle. Experience peace of mind here at Williams Auto Group.